So this is part 2. Part 2 is the conversion of the cables into the power supply for the satellite finder. So the parts we need for this stage are the battery connector, some coax cable with some F connectors at the end, and some white electrical tape. Doesn't have to be white, but I'm using white because the cables are white. So what we have to do for this stage now is to cut one end off the coax cable, about here, and we're going to take the inside cables and connect them to the battery leads. So here's the completed cable. I've exposed both inner and outer cores. The next stage is to remove some insulation from the battery connector and connect these two cables together with the insulation tape to provide insulation. So I've then got a power source for the satellite finder. And finally we'll connect the battery connector up to the correct cables, to the correct wires, should I say, of the coax. So let's wind this one around there to try and make a very good connection. And then I have some white electrical tape to seal the connection. Okay, and now the other connection. Give it a good twist, make sure as much of the connection is there as possible. Good contact. Now some electrical tape as before to ensure tight, good connection. And the finished cable, all ready to connect to the satellite finder, the battery pack and the dish. Connections will be in part 3.